everyone, welcome to 3D Wonders. This is Pat. At 3D Wonders, we help our customers to find the right 3D scanner and software for their reverse engineering and inspection needs.
Today, we're taking a closer look at what's new in Verisurf 2026. This release brings new features and workflow improvements that help manufacturers save time, reduce cost, and improve process control across digital manufacturing. By embedding metrology into the workflow, inspection becomes faster, more visible, and more repeatable. Let's take a look.
Verisurf 2026 revolutionizes thickness inspection through the addition of a new analysis function for scanned parts. Traditional thickness inspection is slow, labor-intensive, and incomplete. Spot checks with hand gauges and point-to-point measurements sample only a fraction of the part. Critical thin or thick regions are often overlooked, creating risks in quality control. Verisurf 2026 changes this with a new, patent-pending, scan-based thickness analysis tool. Instead of a handful of points, a metrology-grade 3D scanner captures the entire surface, and the analysis instantly reveals thickness variations everywhere on the part. The result is a faster, simpler inspection compared to traditional CMMs. Using Verisurf's new thickness analysis tool, the part is first scanned to generate a measured mesh, which is aligned to a CAD model of the part. The model enables the use of directional surface normal vectors for accurate thickness deviation analysis of irregular and freeform surfaces, even for complex, non-parallel, and variable thickness parts. Verisurf thickness analysis can also report measured thickness for parts even without a model. Parts are analyzed for thickness using the Mesh's speed menu in the Analysis Manager. Thickness analysis can report measured and nominal thickness, as well as thickness deviation from nominal using a defined thickness tolerance and min-max values to filter the results. The preview displays an interactive 3D color map showing the selected thickness. Clicking or dragging the mouse around the color map reveals the thickness values at selected locations on the model, and stickers can be saved by pressing the Enter key. Detailed reports including annotated images can then be generated for improved accuracy, repeatability, and traceability. With Verisurf 2026 thickness analysis, you gain a faster, more reliable, and more cost-effective way to ensure quality, from first article inspection to production. Verisurf 2026 introduces a new dynamic path editing tool that lets you fine-tune your CMM inspection paths with total control. Since the introduction of the Automate module in Verisurf X8, Verisurf has delivered interactive path generation tools across all feature types, from standard probing paths to grids, curves, and dynamic points used in profile of a surface, profile of a line, and user-defined constructive objects. With Verisurf 2026, dynamic path editing enables users to modify individual points within a path interactively, giving full control over location, order, and strategy, all within the graphical interface. Points can be dragged anywhere on the model for grid inspection, or they can be restricted to the parent surface, and changes to the path can be undone with the press of a key. Probe hits can also be reordered, added, and deleted within the path. Dynamic path editing lets you create inspection paths for parts with unique access limitations, construct features and analyses on parts with variable geometry, and avoid collisions with fixturing and manufacturing aids during in-process inspection. This new tool is available for 3 and 5 axis paths, as well as tactile scanners. With Verisurf 2026, you can create inspection paths quickly and easily for even the most challenging parts. Verisurf 2026 provides enhanced inspection capabilities through support for QIF, the emerging Quality Information Framework standard. QIF enables the capture, use, and reuse of metrology-related information such as model-based tolerance, measurement settings, and measured data to make inspections more efficient. QIF ensures that quality data from design through final inspection remains accurate, consistent, and machine-readable. The use of QIF eliminates manual data entry errors and standardizes CAD, PMI, and characteristic IDs for end-to-end digital traceability. It supports inspection automation, digital twin initiatives, and closed-loop manufacturing, and standardizes quality across the supply chain. It also synchronizes CAD with semantic PMI, balloon characteristic IDs with inspection results, and design intent with actual manufacturing and measurement outcomes. Verisurf 2026 supports the direct import of QIF files, including CAD geometry, GD&T callouts, dimensions and tolerances, and characteristic definitions and IDs for use in part inspection. Inspection plans can be created automatically from the imported PMI to facilitate part programming. The finished plan can then be used to check the part on a CMM or another device using Verisurf Auto Inspect. The MBD tools in Verisurf can also be used to create the product manufacturing information, or PMI, relevant to QIF, including datum targets and features, part tolerance information, and bubbled characteristic IDs. This information is associative, so it remains attached to the geometric features throughout the product lifecycle. Verisurf 2026 exports complete QIF files that include CAD geometry with semantic PMI and characteristic IDs that sync directly with first article inspection reports, such as AS9102 and PPAP. These files are ready for downstream use in inspection applications, quality systems, and for submittal by customers. With Verisurf 2026, you'll benefit from a complete model-based workflow with inspection automation and digital traceability to ensure high-quality inspection results. Verisurf 2026 simplifies the inspection of machined Honeycomb parts using scan data through the addition of a new highest filter for point clouds. Traditional methods of inspecting machined Honeycomb are slow or prone to inaccuracies. Probing the top edge of a honeycomb cell is challenging, and measuring a shim in lieu of the actual surface is time-consuming and adds another level of uncertainty to the process. Non-contact scanners provide fast, accurate measurements, but typically scan more of the cell wall than its top edge. The new highest filter in Verisurf 2026 removes this limitation by selecting only the highest point in the direction of a reference vector within a specified search radius. This new filter, accessed from the Cloud Speed menu in the Analysis, Measure, and Reverse managers, offers two modes: WCS, Z-axis, and Surface. The 3D cloud data is first projected onto the XY plane or the CAD surface, depending on mode. These flattened points are then filtered using the specified search radius to establish a set of target points. Since there's only one highest point per search zone, increasing the radius decreases the number of target points. Finally, the highest point in the cylindrical volume, defined by each target point, and its reference vector, either the z-axis of the WCS or the surface normal, is selected to create a new cloud of highest points. Verisurf includes additional tools that can be used to verify the accuracy of the filtered cloud. Power surface is first used to create a surface through the highest points. The points are then analyzed to the fitted surface to show how well they conform. The new highest filter was designed to inspect honeycomb parts, but it's equally useful for other scan parts where low points must be removed. With the new highest filter in Verisurf 2026, you can inspect machined honeycomb and similar parts quickly and accurately using non-contact scanners. Verisurf 2026 provides expanded support for the Renishaw Equator that improves the accuracy of the machine and provides additional options for high-volume inspection applications. These enhancements are enabled through the use of Renishaw's RenCompare technology. With the introduction of the Automate module in Verisurf X8 in 2014, Verisurf added a proprietary cubic volumetric mapping to extend the Equator's comparative functionality to full CMM capabilities, branded by Verisurf as the CMM Master. This configuration is certified under ASME B89.4 to an MPE of 25 microns and a repeatability of 2 microns. Verisurf 2026 adds full support for Renishaw's intended comparator use cases to enable Golden Compare, which uses a master part that matches the nominal design, and CMM Compare, which uses a calibration file derived from CMM measurements of an imperfect master or sample part. With Golden Compare, the master part is first measured, and the deviations from nominal are used to determine the errors of the machine. Measurements of subsequent parts are then adjusted to compensate for these known errors. Using CMM Compare, the master part is measured on a CMM and analyzed to a CAD model of the part to establish an error model, which represents the part's deviations from nominal. The error model is used to create a calibration file that can be used on any Renishaw Equator to account for errors in the master part when inspecting subsequent parts. The result is an inspection to nominal without volumetric mapping. With Verisurf 2026, you can increase the capabilities of your Renishaw Equator through the use of Golden Compare and CMM Compare to increase inspection throughput. Verisurf 2026 features an enhanced slice tool for meshes and clouds that's easier to use, provides greater support for automation, and expands reporting for applications like blade analysis and profile evaluation. Verisurf's powerful Slice Mesher Cloud tool is widely used in inspection and reverse engineering workflows to extract 2D profiles from scan data. It enables users to visualize cross-sections, fit splines, generate CAD geometry, and analyze 2D profile. The enhancements to Slice Mesher Cloud in Verisurf 2026 provide an improved user experience and expanded capabilities. Two controls were renamed to clarify their purpose. The Create Levels option organizes slices by creating individual levels for each slice when geometry is saved to the CAD model. Number of nodes per spline controls the number of interpolated points used to define each spline fitted to the slice, typically when using long splines to create a surface. The Save to CAD group, which saves point, line, spline, and surface geometry to CAD, now allows the slice plane itself to be saved, and if multiple slices are used, all planes are saved. In the Save to Verisurf database group, the new single cloud option saves all slices as one unified cloud for easier data management. In addition, the Analysis option saves slices as a single or individual analysis objects for 2D profile evaluation, waviness analysis, and blade cross-section, construction and evaluation in the Report Manager. With Verisurf 2026, you can extract cross-sections from meshes and clouds for use in analysis and reverse engineering with greater efficiency than ever before. Verisurf 2026 introduces an enhanced planes manager that streamlines workflows involving assemblies, components, and measurement processes that require multiple reference planes. Reverse engineering a sample part, for example, requires individual frames to establish the origin of the model, the orientation of slice planes, the direction for an extrusion, or a surface of revolution, and even the plane for sketching in 2 dimensions. Tool building, generally described as the process of plumbing and leveling a fixture and placing locating details, is simplified through the use of multiple frames of reference so that part movements on compounded angle surfaces are made along axes that are local to the detail. Offline CMM programming benefits from the use of multiple planes, which define how the part will sit on the machine as it's reoriented to measure different faces. The frame represents the alignment for probe orientation and automatic go-to points for collision avoidance, which are based on the active plane. Planes are created using Verisurf's Create WCS functions on the Verisurf Tools tab, or in the Planes Manager using surface and solid geometry, the graphics view, or the normal to a feature. You can also create and edit planes dynamically by placing the reference frame on the model, and then using the gnomon to position and orient the axes. The redesigned Planes Manager organizes reference frames in a tree structure that allows planes to be grouped and moved between groups, using drag and drop to simplify organization, and planes can be locked to prevent deletion. Individual planes can be used to define the WCS, the construction and tool planes, and the graphics view. And many of these controls are available through a fade-in toolbar in the graphics window for quick access. With Verisurf 2026, complex workflows requiring multiple frames of reference can be accomplished faster than ever before. Verisurf 2026 introduces an enhanced levels manager that makes it easier to manage and organize CAD geometry in complex models. The new design features a hierarchical tree structure that organizes CAD geometry by entity type, including count, which makes visualizing and searching through levels more efficient, especially in large, complex models. You can select a level, or the entities within a level, to highlight the corresponding geometry in a graphics window, or you can search the model to identify the level of a selected entity in the Levels Manager. Levels can be grouped, added to an existing group, and moved between groups for greater flexibility, and groups can be nested to simplify the level display. A search function displays the levels in groups that contain a search string and expands the groups to show the associated levels. The display can be simplified further by filtering which groups are displayed in the tree. It's easy to control the display of CAD entities in Verisurf 2026. Level and group visibility can be toggled individually, or the entire tree structure can be turned off and on to display only the active level. Levels can be collapsed to facilitate navigation through complex models, and they can be organized by dragging and dropping to create a custom order that keeps frequently used levels together. Entities can be cut or copied from one level and pasted into another, where they're merged with entities of the same type to help manage level content. With Verisurf 2026, it's never been easier to manage and organize CAD geometry in complex models.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.